Panasonic headset or stereo headset. Now on this place there is an indicator for right and left. So basically I'm holding it the wrong way, so let's turn it this way because the controls are supposed to be on your left side. So now I bought this because my previous headset, if you guys remember, I told you guys I was using a bass use headset, and that one, it was so good, but just that the problem was my ears were too small for it. So basically that's just why I changed it. I changed because of that, and I bought this one because if you guys notice, the ear cups are very nice. I wanted to get the Sony or the JBL, but just that the Sony and the JBL was too expensive, like 70 euros, and the other one was 60 euros. So that's why I decided to go for this. So this one was like 80 euros. And the problem I have only with this is just this, like if you adjust it quickly it's nice, but when you adjust it like little bits of, like if you it, like you have to wiggle a lot of it. But you know, it's what comes with budget stuff you have to manage, and it's made of plastic, so there is no single metal here, unlike the one you see on the Bose or on Sony. So well, it's okay. So let me put this on. But before I get started, here you have like 4 buttons. You have the power on and power off button, which it works in the same way, and you can also use it to pause and play. And then we have the increase button and decrease volume button, and then this is the noise cancellation button, and this is the indicator light of when the noise cancellation is on. Like if I tap here now, you can see it's off, and if I tap back, it shows green, and when it's charging it's blue, and when it's low it's red. So this is the USB-C charging cable. And then what I love about this is that they give you a versatility in the sense of, if you also want to use this wired, you can use this also. You can also use it wirelessly. So let's just get started, and let me put it on my head. You guys will check out. So now it's on my head, as you guys can see, and there is no space, because unlike the Baseus, there were like space here where the song, you know, you can hear the background sounds even though you put it on noise cancellation. But this one is much better, because just adjust this and then you're good to go. Just adjust, okay, and see, it fits my ears as if they were like. Final verdict I would say is that the only problem with this, it doesn't have the enough bass that the Baseus had. Although I would say the Baseus and it were on the same par, but just that the problem is the bass is not, it's not like hitting up. But if you're looking for something that is budget like me, because I don't have 70 euros to spend on a headset, basically the bass, it doesn't matter, because I'm just using it to listen to music, and that's all. Also, the this headset, you can use it to make calls, because there is like a microphone here and also here, so basically good for calls. I did use it before I unboxed it. I have already unboxed it a few days back to test and see if it was good for call. I used it to call my sister, and she was hearing me as clear as day. So you can even see another microphone here. So basically it works and it's nice. So this is for people who are looking for budget tech, and also they want to maybe they have like small ears like mine. This is good for you. So also I want to point this out, please, if you're buying a headset, and you have to really be cautious of the ear cuffs, because number one, you want it to be comfortable, number two, you want to be able to use it even during summer, because some ear cuffs come with this some leather mesh that it's very bad, and it kind of gets like there is a sweat on your ears and everything. And you also want something that will suit you, and or maybe there are some brand that I know that you can remove the ear cuffs and stitch it up with your own size, but that depends on the brand. But why I even bought this was because of Panasonic. I know it's a very nice brand. So apart from Sony, Bose, JBL, Philips, I know that Panasonic, they also try. I will test this and see how it is, and along the long run, if it does hold up to what they are saying in the papers, then I will let you guys know. But if it doesn't, I'll also do a review on it later, maybe a few months in. And if you guys have watched this part, please like and subscribe, and